Hi, Lisa from Less Stuff here. It is with great sadness I have to announce that this happened to Colin last night. The slugs got him. So I think he might be a goner. Poor Colin. Look how beautiful he was. He had little buds, he had little flowers just ready to come out, and they've killed him. However, we got a backup. I'm brutal. This is Colin number 3. You can tell, hello snail, who's going to be drowned in a minute? You are. Right, I can tell this one was started off under the hydroponics light, the one from Mano, the garland unit, and you can see how bushy he is compared to this one, which was grown and started outside with a little snail in him. So I will definitely continue to start my vegetables off in that little unit, but I will be a little bit more vigilant about slugs and snails in the future. So I'm gonna put them both in the ground and we'll see what happens. Yeah, I'm saddened. Poor Colin. I feel like he needs a decent burial really. But anyway, there you go, slugs. You, matey, pop. They're going in the pond for the frogs. That's it. I'll plant these up and maybe put up a few beer traps. Bye.